Portable, ergonomic hydraulic elevating carts minimize worker bending and tilting. The material can be easily loaded onto a cart from a table and lowered to a safe transporting height, and then raised to unload at a desired destination. The tables can be lifted, lowered with a single-speed foot pump, 2-speed foot pump, or a 2-speed auto shifter that automatically shifts when table is loaded. The foot pump includes a soft lowering down valve, and it moves easily on 4 polyurethane casters, 2 swivel with brakes, and 2 rigid. All models feature an internal hydraulic safety velocity fuse in each cylinder. Hydraulic elevating carts come in a variety of models: single scissor steel carts, double scissor steel carts, and aluminum scissor carts. The single scissor steel carts come with either single speed, 2-speed, or 2-speed auto shifter. One can choose between a standard deck, a long deck, or a wide deck. Capacities vary from 400 to 4,000 pounds. Double scissor steel cart models have single 2 and 2-speed auto shift pump speed. Capacities vary from 200 to 1,500 pounds. The aluminum scissor cart has a single foot speed pump 4-inch poly-on-poly casters with a capacity of 220 pounds. Our line of hydraulic elevating carts are portable, ergonomic, and easy to handle.